Hold your cables and keyboards, folks. We've got a PC case that's about to make you rethink your entire setup. Meet the Dealswin Mirage 4, the perfect marriage between elegance and power. If James Bond had a PC case, this would be it. Intrigued already? Well, let's slide open this case and spill some secrets. Spoiler, they're jaw-dropping. First, it's white. No, not boring white, but that classy, pristine white you'd find on a freshly starched shirt. Inside, it has room for your gaming arsenal, with space for massive graphics cards and a towering CPU cooler. It's like the penthouse of PC cases, spacious and ready for a party of the latest tech. But wait, it's not just about looks. The airflow? Top-notch. It's like the case is literally breathing in fresh ideas and cool air. And those fans? 3 brilliant ARGB fans. Imagine your room as a disco every time you game. Plus that top panel radiator support, it's the unsung hero of thermal management, keeping things chill like a pro. Cable management enthusiast? We've got hidden nooks for all your wiry worries. No more spaghetti junctions. Let's not forget a fast, zippy USB Type-C port connectivity goals. In short, whether you're a pro gamer or a peaceful work-from-homer, this case fits everyone with taste and tech needs. Want your gaming room to shine? Hit that link in the description and invite the Dealswin Mirage 4 into your life. Like, subscribe, and let's build something epic together.